Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make lemon meringue cupcakes. These cupcakes have a curd filling in the centre and a topping of meringue which feels and tastes like marshmallow fluff. Starting off, add your butter and sugar to a large mixing bowl and beat together until light and fluffy. Now add your eggs and continue mixing until you have a smooth batter. Add the zest of 4 lemons and the juice of 1 lemon and mix to incorporate throughout the batter. Sieve in your self-raising flour and mix until just combined. If the batter is too thick, add a splash of milk to thin it out a little. Transfer the batter into cupcake cases. You want to fill them up about halfway. I only had muffin cases, but I'll trim them later. Place into a preheated oven until light and golden on top. Leave to cool in the tray before letting them cool completely on the wire rack. Here I am just trimming the cases like I said earlier. Now use a sharp knife to cut a hole in the centre of your cupcake. You want to go in at an angle to leave a cone-like cavity. Fill each hole with as much lemon curd as you can. Let's get on to the meringue topping. Start with a pot of boiling water a few inches thick over a medium-low flame. Add your sugar and egg whites to a mixing bowl, and place the mixing bowl over the pot. Begin whisking the sugar and egg whites together. This will heat the egg whites to a safe consumption temperature whilst not overcooking them so they taste like egg. Get some of the mix on your whisk and test to see if the sugar has dissolved into the egg white. Do be careful though, the mix may be very hot. Once it has dissolved, take it off the pot and begin whisking with a hand whisk or stand mixer until light and fluffy. The mix will look and taste very similar to marshmallow fluff. Place the meringue topping into a piping bag and pipe onto the cupcakes. Now for the final effect. Use a chef's blowtorch to get the golden crust-like finish on the meringue. Just be careful not to catch the casing on fire. And that's all there is to it. You can see here how light and smooth the meringue is, and that lemon centre really balances how sweet it all is. So thank you guys very much for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. The full written up recipe and ingredient amounts have been posted on the blog, link is in the description as always, and until next time, take care.